It is for human beings. These ashramas, the 4 ashramas and 4 varnas, they are all meant for human society. Not that it is restricted in a certain area or certain country or certain community. No. It is meant for the whole human society. Bhagavad Gita is meant for the whole human society. When Krishna says, Chaturvarnam maya srishtam gunakarma vibhagasa, he never says that it is meant for India. Where is that? Why they claim that the Chaturvarna should be in India? Krishna never said. Krishna says, Sarvajonishu kaunteya sambhavanti murtaya. In every species of life, as many forms are there. All of them are my sons. Aham bijapada pita. Krishna never says that I am Indian or I am Kshatriya or I am Brahmana. Krishna says I am the father of everyone. Therefore, this Chaturvarna or this Karma Kanda, everything is made for the whole human society, if not for the animal society. Of course, animal society they cannot follow. That is their degraded position. Labdha sudurlabham bahusammavanti. Therefore Shastra says that this human form of life is gotten after many, many births. Labdha sudurlabham. Sudurlabham. Durlabham means very rare to be obtained. And again addition, su. Very, very. So you should not waste our this human form of life whimsically. It is a great loss. It is a great loss. But people are not educated. How much important this human form of life. Don't move like that. Labdha sudurlamavidam bahusammavanti manusam. And Prahlad Maharaj says also the same thing. That is the basic principle of Vedic civilization. Prahlad Maharaj says, Kaumaro asarit pragna dharman bhagavataniya durlavang manusam janma tadovi arthadam adhurvam. Kaumaro, from the very beginning of life, Kaumaro. Kaumaro means from 5th year to 10th year, 5 years. Within these 5 years, education must begin. And especially Dharman Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam Dharma means to understand Krishna, to understand the Supreme Personality of Godhead. I know amongst the Mohammedans, it is a system that is small children, they are taught Quran. That is a very good system. But we have forgotten. Although India is the land of spiritual culture, our small children, they go to school, colleges, but he has no connection with Bhagavad Gita. He has no connection with Bhagavad Gita. They are simply trained up for sense gratification. In Western countries also, for sense gratification, which is to be suppressed. Sense gratification, that education is given. They do not know what is karma and what is vikarma. Now when the students become disobedient and they create riots and set fire in the buses, then they lament. But why you have educated the students like that? Who is responsible for this? The rascals, they do not know. Here is Krishna prescribing. King karma, king akarmeti, kavayopi atra mohita. Even learned men, they become bewildered. Tatte karma purvakshami. So in this bewildered condition, baffled condition of the society, we should consult Krishna. Krishna is ready to give you advice, as he was ready 5,000 years ago to give advice to Arjuna. That instruction is still current. It is not that it is finished with the Arjuna and Krishna. No. You can take also the same advice from Krishna and mold your life. That is wanted. So, kurute vikarma. We are trained up simply to act opposite direction. Instead of doing good work, we are educated to do bad work. Just off. And that is not good. That is the advice of Rishabdev. Nunam pramatta. What is that bad work? Bad work means sense gratification. That's all. Anything you do for the satisfaction of your sense, that is bad work. And anything you do for satisfaction of Krishna, that is good work. This is the division of bad work and good work. The same thing, if you do for your personal satisfaction, it is bad work. And the same thing, if you do for satisfaction of Krishna, that is good work. We must first of all learn this. Just like Arjuna was thinking in the beginning that fighting and killing is not good, especially fighting with the family members and killing them. Oh, no, I cannot do it. Bad work. He was thinking it was bad. But same thing he did. When he understood Bhagavad Gita, he did not do anything else because he was a fighter, he was a warrior. In the beginning he was refusing because he was trying to satisfy his senses. It is very good. I think it is. I think what you are. You are always misguided if you think like that. But the same Arjuna, when understood Bhagavad Gita, Krishna inquired from him, now what is your decision? Na karishe vachanam tava. Yes, now I have decided. So what is that vachanam tava? Krishna asked him to fight. The same fighting. How he became good now? Because Krishna wanted it. The good work. So this should be our motto of life. That you should act if Krishna is pleased. This is good work. That is confirmed in many places in Srimad Bhagavatam. Atapungvi Dijasreshta, Sutta Goswami said, in the meeting of great learned scholars and Brahmins in the Naimisharan, he said, Dijasreshta, oh best of the Brahmins, you are assembled here to hear me. Dijasreshta, Atapungvi Dijasreshta, Varnasama Vibhagasa. Again that Varnasama. Without Varnasama, it is a rascal society, that's all. It is not even human society, it is animal society. But that we have lost now. Again it is said, Varnasama Vibhagasa. Atapungvi Dijasreshta. You are speaking amongst the very learned scholars and Brahmins. Therefore he addressed, my dear, all great Brahmins, Dijasreshta. Dija means Brahman, Kshatri, Vaishya. And the Brahmins is the Sreshta, the best of the Dijas. Dijas means twice born. One birth by the father and mother, and the next birth through the Guru and Vedic knowledge. Vedic knowledge is the mother, and Guru is the father. The next birth. That is called Dija, twice born. Once born by father and mother, that is Shudra. Janmana jayate Shudra. First birth is Shudra. The next birth, when he is trained now by the Guru in Vedic knowledge, and that is real birth. Everything is clearly explained. If we take advantage of this Krishna consciousness movement, then our life will be perfect. That is the special prerogative of the Indians. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Bharat bhumite manusya janma haila ja, janma sarthak kari karo paropukar. Every Indian has to perfect his life by accepting the Vedic principle and distribute it to the whole world. This is the best welfare activities in the human society. Thank you very much.